I hope everyone is having or had an amazing day and ready to learn about the PediSafe line. This is the LED lamp used in conjunction with the kit. The kit allows you to create several different things, from a simple overlay on toenails to extreme reconstruction, ingrown nail rebalancing, nail realignment, a prosthetic nail, and even fingernail enhancement. So our kit has the bonding base, the sculpt and structure, top gloss, the disposable brushes, Santa Fresh, tack-free shine, a nail file, 2 dappen dishes, a nail brush, the booklet, a member card, and a free polish. So this is what everything looks like on the inside. This product line, you do not need a primer. The Connect serves as your primer. Watch to see how I use the products to transform and create beautiful prosthetic toenails for someone whose toenails have been affected by toenail fungus. Stay tuned. I'm going to dispense the modeling gel and Connect into 2 separate dappen dishes to ensure we don't transfer any dust from the toenail back into the containers. We're going to use the end of the disposable applicators to put it into the dish. And then we're going to prepare the brush. The bristles are really dry and they need to be saturated to ensure ease of use with transferring the product from the brush to the nail plate. So we're just going to press it into the product and against the sides of the dappen dish just to press it and squish it all through those bristles. Make sure they're nice and covered. Sit that one aside and then prepare the bristles on this brush as well. Initially, I was not planning to do this procedure for this client. She came all the way from Tucson, Arizona to get a pedicure with me. She had family in the area and found me on YouTube. What an amazing honor for me to have her travel all of this way to get her pedicure. So I didn't know what condition her toenails were in. So initially, we did a pedicure. I found that she had a problem with some toenail fungus on 3 of her toenails. She wasn't booked for enough time for me to do this procedure, so a couple of days ago we did the pedicure and I polished her toes, and you could see when I was taking off the toenail polish that you could see that rough terrain of the nail plate from filing the top of the nail to try and get it smooth. So afterwards I talked to her and said, how long are you going to be in town for, and can you come back on Sunday? And she said, absolutely. I told her I had this product that I'd be able to recreate her toenails for her, and she thought it sounded like a great idea. So I came in on my day off so I could create these toenails for her. The first product that I sprayed on the nails was the prep spray, the tea tree prep spray, and then clean that off with a non-lint wipe. And next, I'm going to apply the Connect to all 3 toenails. And if you want to see the full pedicure process that we did a couple of days ago, I'll put the link in the description and then a link up here in the top right hand corner as well. In that video, I'll show you how I use my electric file to smooth out all of that thickened nail plate. Anyone that wants to up your pedicure game can order the kit I'm using and get a 10% discount off your order and free shipping with the code MeticulousMani10, and the website link is in the description. This base layer needs to be cured in the LED light. The LED light is what we call the trigger to cause the polymerization of the product. So for it to turn into a plastic, and it needs 30 seconds in this lamp. Next, we're going to apply the modeling gel. Our goal here is to create as natural looking of a toenail as we can. And then after we cure this layer, we're going to use the file to shape it so it can be polished. Don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you learned new in this video, and if you have any questions about the application process. And remember, we're still playing the game where we're going to have a random comment winner that is going to win one of the items that I use in this video.
Yeah, it is. Did you see? Is it supposed to get any warmer?
I haven't looked. I got all ready and then stepped outside and said, oh, I should have worn pants. Oh well.
How many people out there watching today know what LED stands for? Tell me if you knew what it was in the comments. And for all of those who don't know what it means light emitting diode. And this diode, or bulb, it emits a narrow and a very specific UVA wavelength that's needed to polymerize the gel.
Yep. Now we just have to shape it like a natural toenail.
Filing these tiny toenails is a lot different than filing fingernails, so you have to be really careful when you're going around the cuticle as to not cut the skin with the nail file.
Yeah. Yeah, this actually, you have to file it off to get it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So if you use polish remover, it won't hurt it. We just want them to look natural. So I'm trying to follow the shape of your natural nail walls and where your free edge would be. Give it one more buff.
Last step before we polish is to clean off the nails with the tack-free shine product. She has the nail mycosis solution from Imperial Feet, and she's going to apply that around her cuticles so that it can get into the new nail growth as the toenails grow out, to prevent the fungal infection from invading the fresh new growth of the nails. And this product should grow up and off the toenail, and I gave her the fingernail file to take home with her that she can shorten them when they get a little bit too long, and hopefully in about 4 to 6 months she's going to have nice, normal looking, fungus free toenails. Here is the before photo, then the during photo after we thin them out with the electric file, and here is the after photo. Be sure to tell me in the comments what your favorite part of the video was. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my channel. You can visit my social media sites to follow and interact, and I would really appreciate it so much if you would click that share button and share your favorite videos to help me grow my channel. Here are some other great video suggestions for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.